Beautiful people, it's me, Pamela, on my YouTube. Cho, no, what's the T? Siyahlaziya.
Guys, we continue to talk about Senzo Meyiwa's situation and how Senzo Meyiwa is not getting justice because of usatani and selfishness with our government when they know very well what happened. The house at the Kumalu's for Sorasi Espaza shop on the 14th of October 2014. They know very well. No, I'm a person no angazi kahle mina. There were no intruders in the house. But u-exercise ngathi ayikho into angayenza ukubona leyo nto leyo, but you leave it there. Siyaqhubeka nje nokukhuluma what's going on. So the accused, right, about 5, you know, if you had to speak to them bangakutshela ukuthi no uratha simfoni and vele he has decided to convict us lo muntu asimfoni, we don't want that person. They can tell you, just you haven't been to Pretoria courts outside there and be like, can I speak to them a bit? You know, they will tell you, say lo muntu akekho right. I don't know how many times have we tried to have a recusal for this judge to leave us in jail. Ngobona 80 in any case this year. I'm like, who even does that? It's like, which country does such? We are the only ones in South Africa who does such things and have a judge in 8 years. Like someone had said on the comments, there's a reason why Judge Rata was actually put there. Quite a few reasons, in fact, not just one. So it's not up to us. It's up to. It's actually not even up to the defense as well. Ukambi Surat. Usfisomi was written in December with aga ha be, because you can see besides like small things like this is a small pet to bias, and there's more to it. We are totally envelope now. Otherwise, he wouldn't be sitting there instead of doing gardening at home with his wife, Guys, we just right. And the Yabanogut is not even up to the accused Bangenza in good bam so right. Pasabam phone. They just like Umutonjando. Who's making up stories? Now he's just made a story about 3 weeks ago. What's him? For the 2 weeks. What's he Untanzi called him misgiving. When, guys, did he call him that? Like it's like without our power, there's nothing you can say. What can I say to Lele? Untanzi had to say that statement in a proper way. This was not about you. I didn't say you are Iskebeng. I said la ekoti. Actually, isn't right. Not you. Oh, Rata, guys, makes everything about him. Oh, I have 55 years experience. You can't touch me. I'm the best. That is why I'm here. Like, guys, we are tired. Yeah, guys, it's so news, Jay. Indefinitely in Zagali, we must just continue fighting on for the Meyiwas. Because I've never seen anything like this. To a point where people end up being afraid. But afraid of what? Because, like you heard, and it's on TRC, the video is also there. I did put it out, that video, where they were talking to ukuthi maye nje wakhuluma ngale case uyahambiswa nje emhlabeni or uyahamba in circumstances of feel ukuthi marriage. And most of these people, they have actually mysteriously passed on. They wanted to put it in respect because we also have to respect their families. I'm just like, what happened here? You remember me in my line? He's always been impopoma ezingakanani kanti lezo. What kind of waterfalls are these? Imali njani le nje ihlezi iphuma nje. Kakhokho nje ngapha nangapha. But you remember Chico's words? Chico once said, mina ngithatha nje imali engako. Longikhokhile nje ithatha nje leyo mali mina. With these stupid defense people, I was like, stupid. When I say Ubayin, these people went to school to study law. When I get back up after that, Vela fanele babe yilima, they telling the truth. At the time Ngomezulu ehamba phambili, nini Ngomezulu came and he explained to us there at court, you know, my lord, yesterday there was a car. After him, let's say, long or short sense. Same day, not even 2 days, 3 days after. You know, he saw a car, some Golf, the same Golf. Remember, I've said about this Golf so many times. This Golf was seen footy even in Diepkloof. Ilandela Bandi. Usisika accused number 4, Mapisa, who was also doing what I do. Her channel is called Voice of the Voiceless. I haven't seen the channel. The channel was doing so well. Because she was just like, Mina, my brother did not analyze sense of me. I don't care who says what. Very, very powerful lady. But these days, next. She even said, you know, I had to change places in Diepkloof at least two times. Moving, but there was a white Golf that was following me. So even in higher places, they've said it. You are a corner. I was just like, why? Where are you going? If writing Brigadier Bongani Nicholas Kinid, why are people going? Bayapi. Panjisola in. Maybe ngapoisonwanga next door nakakheli abukwaziyo. A man just passed on there mysteriously. You just like, why? Mangithi ukhuluma iqiniso brothers. Lofika ehlanyisa cause Brigadier Kinid. So now bafelani abantu? That's the question every time. So bathi nje lalela or accused, they've been spoken to, bebuzwa ukuthi okay, so nifila kanjani ngale judge, bathi you can just tell ukuthi lo muntu lo uwatshela ukuthi lalela bowenza kanje nanje 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 nanje, and actually he has decided to convict people lo 3 years ago before he even came there. Usase umawumela bathi ngiyeza ngizobabonisa kumanje. The fact that if umnisa kamiyekanga about 2 weeks ago, what's Putty, please just stop with this thing yakho ejelo rat yokuthi uNtanzi uthaywe newscape. Tanzi never said that, bro. Tanzi said the court is not telling the truth. Yabona ukuthi upolite kanjani uNtanzi is being polite. Yazi mina nguNtanzi shem ngangizomkhifa rat that day when he was busy emkhomba. It's your client, this one said Esgebeng. Wow. Is it power? I even said on the day on one of my videos, is it power that triggers Urata? And then act dilulu yabona that week. I know. Like I was saying, Gutuzo hallucinates. I know actually hallucination is small. Ugavela ngambonzo kibela. Phezu kwamatafula lapha ecourt lo muntu. The way he was going crazy there that week. And Umnisi kept on telling him, Beno, Tini Ramusipil, Baba, please, just calm down a bit. Like, what's going on with you? So, guys, guys, because he needs to get justice on Monday. We are coming back on the 12th on Sunday. We do have our live to prepare for the week. Thank you so much, guys, for always loving this channel. Gintanda over.